Same place lang din.
Same place.
Hinahanap nila yung lugar.
It's a little bit.
Hurting?
A little bit.
That's good.
I got some sleep.
Okay, do it. Okay, I'm not holding, Zach. It's your way.
Life isn't about following
Would you like to eat now?
but having
Maybe?
passion.
Ooh.
Daddy, don't hold.
Okay, I'm not holding.
Passion.
Dito tayo.
What drives you forward? Take the open road, the quiet lane,
How about you?
explore the horizon,
Okay.
the unknown.
Wala na. So wala na
Spark a
kami
new
step
joy
natin.
this Ramadan.
Where is Tita?
Tita's right there.
There. Tataway.
Malamig dito pag madaling araw. Kasi ano, may tubig.
Oh, slowly. Not slowly. Drive safely.
Go the right.
Yeah, we're going.
The right.
Right.
That's correct. That's
Yes,
the right.
Okay, park.
Ay, wala pa pala sila talaga.
Wala pang ate.